Hi everyone, welcome back to a Burnout Masters video. Today I built this Commodore and I stanced it out. It's actually a V6 with a blower on it. It's fully upgraded. And kind of built it just to drift, you know? And that's what I'm gonna try to do today. So I've been trying to drift this for probably like 20 minutes, but like that was a long time ago. I literally just got on. Yeah, I've been like doing stuff with my brothers and stuff. Yeah, cause I don't even know what I'm saying. Trying to be cool. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna just try to drift this car, this Commodore. As you can see, I'm trash at it. Like, this is a game where you're meant to like do dollies, like donuts and stuff, and like shred tires. So this is gonna be different and difficult. Like, see what I mean? Like, it just wants to spin out. So yeah, this is gonna be very difficult. Oh my god. I need to go somewhere else. Oh, fourth gear is not bad. Yeah, fourth gear is not bad actually. And we'll just like keep on drifting. Oh god. Like that. Also, do you like my number plate? It says Eshe, but I just used a bunch of like different kind of styles, I think they're called. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't helping. I'm getting distracted. Yeah. I need to go somewhere else. That's kind of good. Drift around the roundabout over here, maybe? I could try at Summernats, but it's kind of a smaller map, I think. Or same size. Probably same size, to be honest. But like, there's a lot of just straight roads on Summernats. Big cruise and stuff. Yeah, but I don't know. That wasn't bad actually. Yeah. See, I've never done this before. Isn't that funny? Out of like the year and a half I've been playing this game, I've never tried the drifting build. And I've never touched like a V6 build. Like I've normally just swapped in a V8 because I like big horsepower, not like 2 cylinders less, you know. But I do have like an AU Falcon and stuff. But that's a barrel motor, not a V6. So yeah, not really the same. And this is a Holden, not a Ford. So yeah, and that's not bad. That wasn't bad. No, this corner. Oh yeah, see how like it swings but then bogs down? That's not good. Maybe if I change the gearing, put a like 6-speed in, these are small gears. Oh god. The corners are bad. Like like you see on the stuff here that I'm on right now. If you clip that, then it just knocks you out of place. Cause it's such a low car. could see, like, oh god. This is not a good place to drift. I gotta go somewhere else, I think. That was almost a backwards drift. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Wow. I'm gonna try drift down here. Oh, that was bad. That was terrible. Yep, air pole. Industry. The fuck? Where are we? No, I'm just kidding. I don't know where we are. Some fuel. Oh my god. See what I mean? Like it just clips coins. So, yep. See, I'm gonna go down this way. I'm gonna go down this road. Big windy road. Oh god. Nice, dude. Not bad. Hard to control. Oh my god. I need to do drifting lessons. Except I'm not too bad. It's just like when you press the pedal, it just tries to spin you out of control. Just hit things. It's kind of annoying. I'm using drag tires, which I thought would help, because it's less sideways drip, but more like drip. Did I say drip? I meant grip. And more grip to go forwards. When you're going forwards, I hate this bit. And now I'm stuck. Oh no. Yeah, stuck in the corner. Get me out. There you go. I think I might sell this car. I don't really like it. Drifting in this game isn't really I don't know. It's a Burnout game, not drifting game, but we'll see what happens. And we're off into the bushes. Yep. Are we stuck? We're stuck, aren't we? Smart. Now let me go. No tree. Yay. No, are we stuck again? Are we stuck in the tree? Oh, what the? We're off the ground. Whoa, what? Where are we? What? Okay. Just restart real quick. Anyways, that's not really a good route anyway, so it's alright. Here we are, back at the starting point. I'm gonna try drift over here. Oh, my throat hurts. Oh, this way. There you go. How is that? That's not bad. If someone like literally started a couple minutes ago. Is there people doing? Wait, what? Oh no, this was like the other test map. It's like the other test map. When you have two people here doing burnouts. This guy in the X. What is that? Let me have a look. XD or XE? XF? Tell me. Looks like an XD or an XF, something like that. Keeps on getting stuck. What are you doing, buddy? There you go. There you go, he's unstuck. Oh look. You have a yeet over here. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to drifting. Yeah, I have like a tingling feeling in my throat, whatever. It's annoying. It's probably like, I don't know. I'll probably do have COVID, but I'll just stay at home. Oh my god, that's a hard place to drift. Well, never mind, not really, actually. Almost crashed. Oh, that was sick. Yeah, so I can drift. That's not happening. Anyways, okay. Wait, what's that mean? Nothing. Still Chucky Yui over here. Oh, you see what I'm doing? Oh, I should be going down that. The game wanted me to, you see, it was pulling me to the side. Oh, okay, now it doesn't. There you go. Oh. I'll get used to this if I just keep on doing it. I think I'll get actually pretty good. Knowing me, I'm pretty good at this kind of thing. Like, I'm pretty good at doing burnouts and not burnouts. I mean drifting. Drifting in Vehicle Legends. And I actually quit that game, so I played Burnout Masters or Murder Mystery or Off-Road Outlaws sometimes, and that's really all at the moment. And yeah, or maybe I haven't played Fortnite in ages actually. Maybe not Fortnite. No, I don't play Fortnite. I do play The Crew 2 as well. Oh my god. You know what this reminds me of? The little ramp at Hoonigan thing. And I've watched a bit of him. But not a lot. But yeah. Excuse me, mate. I also watch oh no, I don't watch, I play car no, it was, wait, what was it? Wait, oh yeah, I do play Car Dealership Tycoon sometimes on Roblox as well. Yeah, it's either that or Murder Mystery. Yeah, And I was gonna say, oh, Car Mechanic Simulator. Yeah, that's what it's called. I don't have the new one, but I have the one from 2018. It's pretty fun, actually. But I think the new one's even more fun, which I kind of want it. But that's alright. Yeah, but some people are saying it's not that good, but okay. I'll still get it anyways if I get free time. I barely even play on PlayStation or anything like that, you know. I don't play on PC. I play on PlayStation. So anybody who likes Xbox, don't get salty, bro. It's just a game, dude. It's just a game. Yeah, I think that's really all I play. But anyway, let's get back to drifting. Jeez, how long is this video going for? Dude, I've been like talking. Just talking a lot. Damn, that was a pretty good drift. Not bad. Ooh, there you go. Also, I forgot to mention on the last video, the VN Commodore build. I actually had a VN Commodore once. And that's actually the original reason why I painted it white. But my one was just like a V6. And it was in really bad condition. It was like rusting in the boot. There was like water sitting where the spare wheel would go. Like, you know how it like has that little hole, like that little hole thing in the floor? Yeah, there was just water in that. It's where the spare tire sits and stuff. Yeah, I hope you know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, that's alright. Look it up maybe, I don't know. I'm not your boss, fool. Anyways, I think I've done enough drifting today. Maybe I should finish it up here. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. Anyways, also, oh no, I have something else to say. I have a bunch of videos with music, and I think that most of them are like copyright music. So yeah, and now I can't like post them, so I just deleted all of them. But I put one out. It was the, I believe the VS Commodore build I did. Yeah, I'm actually buying all Commodores if you haven't realized. So I have the VLVK and I think that's all to buy, and then I'm gonna like show like all the Commodores together, and hopefully not sell my Monaro if there's that much Commodores. If there's that much Commodores, maybe not. I might sell one of the Commodores to do it, but like that's alright. Anyways, yeah, so those copyrighted music things. Yeah, I posted one about the VY Red Commodore that I didn't even make a video about, and it immediately got copyrighted and taken down, so that sucks. But at least I didn't get a strike, you know, which is okay. But yeah, I also had a VN Commodore one, because like it's a brand, like it's a car just, yeah, like I made when I was bored, you know, and like, but yeah, that got, well, it didn't get oh god, why is it? It's because the tires popped. It is too. That's funny as. Yeah, but like, I deleted it, and so like, yeah, I don't want to put any more copyrighted music on YouTube, because I don't want to get risked being striked once again. Had a look on my right wheel. Have a look at this. It's not popped, but it looks like there's no tire on it. So I've just found another glitch, and look, it doesn't have like any like marks on the ground, not even smoke. So yeah, I just found another glitch. So that's really strange. Look, and you can see on the top there that the left one is wearing down, but the right one's completely new. So that's interesting, eh? But yeah, I just found another glitch. Hang on, if I do this, oh, it's stuck like that forever. I'm spamming the thing and it's just... Okay. Maybe if I do this? No, it's still the same. That's interesting. But anyways, I just found another glitch. That's really all I wanted to say. Yeah, I think I'll just make a video every time when I find a glitch or something like that, but like, who knows? Who knows what will happen? We'll probably not find another glitch. Or if this even is a glitch, maybe it's just lag or... What, lag? Probably not lag, but yeah, anyways, this is the end of the video, bye.